Ho, ho, ho!
Ho, 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 and welcome to the Claus Club.
We're so excited that you're joining us today. We've got some great new toys in the Claus Club Challenge. Wait till you see what we're going to have for you.
Today's challenge, we were given $5 to go buy a gift that would work for any kid. Girl, boy, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your age, although you still need to be kind of a kid, obviously. We wouldn't want to be that big of a kid, huh?
But we're still kids, so.
So I went to Walmart and I found something really special.
Ooh.
I got water.
Oh, I don't know. You know, Mrs. Claus, she loves things that are little tiny. Obviously, I like the elves, right? I got this really cool, it says World's Smallest, and then it's got a question mark. So we're going to find out what's in here because I have no clue. I don't know. It might be better. I don't know.
So you're telling me you don't know what yours is?
I don't, but you know what, Santa? It says that it could have like a little itty tiny miniature Uno game. It might have a pony in here. It might have this.
A pony?
Yeah.
How do you fit a pony in that box?
I don't know, but it even says, get this, Nick, a crocodile dentist.
This, water beads. These things expand. They're little tiny. You put them in water, they get the size of a house. Well, maybe not the size of a house. They get a lot bigger. Check this out. They get up to 6 times bigger. Not 5 times, not 4 times. 6 times bigger. That right there makes this the best.
Wow.
Every color in the rainbow. And the best part,
Awesome.
mine makes music. Does yours?
Yeah, well, not really.
So, what did you get?
Well, I don't know, but you know, I'm really wanting this toss across. Do you remember a few years ago, all the kids were asking Santa for a toss across? That was the big thing. So Santa, over and over and over again on his letters, I want a toss across, I want a toss across.
You know which one, though, I hope I get out of this box if this was mine? Hot Wheels. There might be a Hot Wheels in this box, too.
You know, that's
Let's see. I kind of get the excitement of not knowing what it is. That's kind of cool.
What do you think? What do you think?
Like, I wonder what's in there.
Wait,
check that out.
Ooh, what's this?
No way.
Oh, look at all the different things you can get.
Wow.
Wow.
It's kind of like winning a prize or something, you know? You don't really know what you're going to win.
Ooh,
What's on there?
There's just all sorts of things. You know what?
So any of these could be inside that bag right now.
I guess.
We don't even know what's in that bag.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm kind of excited now. I kind of want to see what's in there.
Hey, Cambria, hi. You ready to check this out? Okay. Let's take a look. It says World's Smallest question mark. Okay.
What if she pulled out just like a question mark? Wouldn't that be funny?
Oh, it's the most prettiest question mark you've ever seen. Oh, it's an 8-ball.
No way.
And you know what?
It's an 8-ball.
I think it actually
You know
works.
what an 8-ball is? So an 8-ball, you can ask it any question and shake it, and then in the bottom it comes up and it gives you an answer. Okay, here's my question. Is Santa Claus's gift better?
Absolutely not. Try again.
No, wait, that's not what it says.
No, that's what it says.
No, that's not
right,
what it says.
guys? Isn't that what it
that's
says?
not what it
Absolutely
says.
not. Try again.
Okay, that's not fair. That's not right. Here, let me do it for you. Okay, you ask a question.
Okay. Who do the elves love best, Santa or Mrs. Claus? Because I know it's going to say Mrs. Claus.
It says right here, we the elves love Santa Claus 1,000,000 times better than Mrs. Santa.
That is not even true.
And it's very small writing inside that you could barely read it. Like, are you calling me a liar?
I wouldn't do that.
Well, anyway, you could win an 8-ball too, and you could ask your own questions. What questions would you ask if you had an 8-ball?
I don't know. I think I'd want to know.
Once you put the comments down below what question you would want.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Okay?
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
So, you know what?
I want to see yours though. I want to see what yours does.
Yeah, let's see this.
So we know that I got
this
this
works
awesome
is,
8-ball.
check this out. So you take this bowl of water,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And you put your 8-ball in it. Just kidding. Don't put. It'll ruin your 8-ball. It probably will float though. I don't know.
Now don't put too many of those in there because I think those are going to get big.
Hey, you're not the boss of me.
Excuse me. I'm Mrs. Claus. What do you mean I'm not the boss of you? Who tells you to check your naughty list the second time?
Well, I'm going to put you on a naughty list here if you don't behave yourself.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so what you do is you take some of these and you pour them into the water. And boom! Just kidding, it doesn't blow up.
Okay, I don't see anything happening, Santa.
Well, you have to go. Water beads get a lot bigger, and you just
How
wait.
long does it take for these to get big?
It says 3 years.
Oh, okay, guys.
No, I'm just
Come
kidding.
back in 3 years and we'll have these ready for you.
Yeah, you just have to add water. You know what?
Oh,
Don't
look.
add water. What, are they getting bigger?
I think they're getting bigger.
Yeah, they're getting bigger. Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we come back later when these things
Okay.
are full grown, and then we can talk about them, and we'll let the
Okay.
kids play with them.
Awesome.
How about that?
That would be great.
What happened, guys?
Someone killed it.
So,
I was holding onto the wall and I slipped.
so what happened?
It spilled all over, and a lot went on the floor. Somebody needs to help us. Please get this too. It's so curious. Come back. Come back. There's some there's 4.
Thanks a lot for stopping by the Claus Club. Thank you especially for sharing our Claus Club challenge because, you know, we're still waiting on Santas to come. But, you know, I think at this point in time, I won that challenge. Comment down below who you think is going to ultimately win. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Ho, ho, ho.